Here's how to fix sorry something went wrong. First, click on this button and right click on Steam. Then click on Exit Steam. To make sure that Steam is fully closed, right click on Taskbar and open Task Manager. Here, search up Steam or go ahead and scroll down and look for any Steam related app. Go ahead and fully shut them down, right click on it and add tasks. Now search up Steam again, right click on it and click on Run as Administrator. This will launch Steam with elevated privileges and might help fix the issue. If that didn't work, quit Steam again and go to C drive. Then program files x86, Steam, delete this app cache folder, then go into user data. This folder with numbers, delete this config file, now launch Steam as administrator, see if that fixed the issue. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.